Hello Dave, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for this 2002 Suzuki GS500. This motorcycle is available at this time. It's fully safety certified, work everything. You have a brand new turret, and also you have a brand new rear turret. Motorcycle is fully stock, had a center stand, and everything's clean. This motorcycle has 35,669 kilometers, and if you want me to secure this motorcycle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. Thank you.